Today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to fold in the side view mirrors on this particular GMC Sierra. As well as folding in the side view mirrors, I'm going to show you how to unfold the side view mirrors on this GMC Sierra. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, you can give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the driver's side of my GMC Sierra. In order to fold in the side view mirrors, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the side view mirror. You can see it right there. Then I'm going to look down on this panel where the controls are. And if you look at this right here, there's controls for controlling the side view mirror, what angle it's at, so you can see what's on the side of you. And then if you look a little bit lower, right here, you'll see a door lock button right here. And you look to the right, getting a little bit right to the right, not to the left. You'll see this button right here. And this button right here is the button that folds in the side view mirrors. Now I'm gonna press it and you'll hear a sound. That was the sound of it closing. I'll show you it in progress in a second after I open it up. So what happened is, I'm gonna open it back up like this. You hear that sound? Press it again. You'll see this side view mirror. Now right here, I'm going to press that button and watch the side view mirror. It folds in like that, just like that. And then I'm press the button again, and the side view mirror opens all the way up, just like that. Did you see that? Now, some models you may be able to adjust the side view mirror manually, and they do that by simply grabbing this right here and folding it in, just like that. You can do it like that, so that you can fold in the side view mirror manually, just like that, and then open it back up just like that. So you have two options. You have the manual, like that, and then you also have the automatic option by pressing the button, just like that. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.